Hi, we have you've experienced manipulating a timeline and you've experienced setting characters to a certain animation. What we're going to look at today is using one character with multiple animations and more than one camera. So we're only going to focus on one subject and it'll get closer to making an actual animated um, little animated video. So I'm going to start a new project. That's good. Keep it on 3D. I'll name it One Care Animated. And I'm going to click Create. And I want to I'm going to show you the setup again, and I'm going to show you going to Mixamo again, because even though you've done it, I want to make it easier for you than having to flip back and forth to videos from previous weeks. So let me pause for a minute. Okay, so once your project opens, remember, let's go ahead and just put in the packages we need, which is Cine Machine and the timeline. The timeline may already be here, but let's go to Window and Asset Manager. Sorry, Package Manager. And now we have to wait for it to load again. Mine will load all packages. And I think I'm going to click Show Preview Packages to turn that on too. I'm going to pause again. I'll be right back. Okay, when everything loads, let's scroll down to Timeline first because it might already be installed. It was the last time I did this. It's under Unity Timeline, and you can see that's already one of the packages. So let's scroll up and then find Cine Machine because I don't think that's ever automatic. So you click Cine Machine, then you click Install, and it's another waiting game, so I shall return. Okay, and then you'll see that that's also checked. And you could double check to switch here in project. I think that loads quickly, so we can see that we have Cine Machine and we also have the timeline. So we're done with setting up our project. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then we're going to switch over to Mixamo because I want to show you that you can get more than one animation. Now I believe, so this is Amy. I picked her out and I've already downloaded several animations. And you can see I'm already logged in. So I'm going to I'm just going to type in walk and hit enter. Whoops. Okay. So I can find a walking. I think I like this one. And one thing with walking, I don't know if you saw this before, but there's an in place button, which means normally we want to click in place. Actually, I think I might have you do both. Do one in place and one that walks. I don't know that I want to trim it. Let me see what this does. Huh. Whoa. Anyway, I'll put it back to where it was. Reset. Okay, I like that they have the reset key. So you're going to have an animation, and we're going to download one where in place isn't ticked. This is probably the only time we're going to do it. Usually we will have the actual movement of the character happen in Unity, but for this project we're going to take one where she actually, whoops, I'm using the wrong buttons, where she actually changes location. So let's go ahead and download that. And you want to make sure this says FBX for Unity. Everything else can stay the same and click download. Okay, so I will want you also to download an in-place one. And so in place is just her making the walking movement. So if we change her location in Unity, this is the one we'd want to use. Obviously, feel free to use these character arm space, etc. One thing I want to mention, you're going to be downloading like at least 6 animations. I already did several last night. So I believe in the paid version, if you ever look at other tutorial videos, there's another option down here that says add to package. I believe you only get that if you use the paid version, but I'm not positive. Anyway, I want you to go through, I want you to make sure you have a walking animation, one in place, and one not in place. And then I want you to make sure you have an idle animation. And that's pretty much their static state. I definitely recommend you have one with a little bit of movement. And I'll dictate the others if I want to dictate more in the assignment. But you're going to be downloading multiple animations of the same character. I want to get to my, let me open, okay, here we go. So I want you to see my downloads folder, which is sorted by time. So you can see I have a bunch of animations from yesterday. My walking from yesterday was in place. So this is my walking, walking and changing locations. So I'm going to stop here. So the first part of this assignment is setting up your Unity space and making sure the timeline package and the Cine Machine package is in there. And then the second part is making sure you have the prescribed animations all here. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.